Oh, it's right here? It's like that?
What happened?
What the hell?
Bro, my fault. I stopped and he stopped.
Oh, my balls.
Are you good?
I'm good. Oh, my balls are good. Fucking slip.
Dude, I had no idea that's just it.
Well, ah! Oh, it's not too bad. It's wet. This might have been a bad idea.
This is definitely some metal.
Yeah, bro. Bro, this is the easy part. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Yeah, you don't, just take it slow. You don't have to like fly or anything. This is fun as shit, bro.
I think it's better when it's wet though.
I've never done this wet, so yeah. The roots are super slippery. Bro, you're gonna keep riding with us and watch. You were about to buy like a $2,000 bike.
I mean, I wasn't going to, but yo, this is sick.
Oh wait, is this new? What? Woohoo! Woohoo!
That's all good, man.
Yo, that's cool.
That's just up. This is fun, dude.
Was that new?
Yeah, well,
I've never. That wasn't here last. Keep going straight, you'll be alright. Bro, we're not even there yet. Wait, slow down, slow down. So there's a big rock up ahead. So if you think you can make it, so yeah, I'm gonna let you go first. Nice, good shit. All right. Nope, didn't clear it. Up. Oh,
my bad.
you're good, you're good. Right,
That happened a lot.
it's part of riding.
Yo, is your seat tight?
Is your seat good? It doesn't like swerve or anything? All right.
I think my gear's fucked.
Oh, well. Here's. Oh.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, I got you.
Hold the bike bearings. You got the chain back. You got it?
I got it.
Bro, you saw that? It was like blood. That's a creek.
See if, yeah, well, let's see. See if it switches. I think you're in there now.
What happens when you bring a newbie along?
Nah, you're good, man.
Nah, it's not the newbie, it's the Walmart foot.
It's the Walmart.
It's the shifter, right?
You're doing fine. It was shifting.
Here, let's keep moving.
Let's go up,
Okay.
there's a flat part over there.
I think got it in there. We'll clean it up once,
There you go.
never mind.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Left or right?
Left or right? Where are we going? Left, left. Imagine if we were in here and it rained like hard.
No. Well, like this. Look at this.
Ah, shit. We'll stop up there.
Anytime?
Yeah.
Oh man. Good shit. That's a good workout.
Yeah. This is where we start.
Well, no, back there was where we start making.
True. Alright, where we go next? You tell me, I don't know where I'm going. Doesn't matter.
The fun part starts.
We can take him to the downhill.
We got scouted first. So how about we do this loop again?
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, I feel like we gotta walk because it's muddy shit.
I say we just go down and just do the downhill. Fuck
We
it.
gotta do a utility path. Alright, let's go. Watch out for mud pits.
Where your fenders? You saw them.
Right here.
Oh, front. Not back.
Tiny ones. No, I don't have back fenders. Oh, frog.
I'm gonna run over it.
No, bro, don't. Hey, buddy.
I don't want a camera too. Like yours.
Oh, yeah, gotta go, bro? Yeah. Watch out, watch out. Go left, go left, go left. Holy crap, imagine falling there.
How you going up so easily?
It's the gears, bro. It's also super light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like, when we stop, I'll let you, like, carry my bike. You'll see it's light as hell. My legs are on fire, though.
Yeah. Yo, it's no joke, bro. I thought you were.
Nah.
No, I playing.
That's why we go to the downhill so we can chill for a bit.
Yo, this is super scenic.
Yeah.
Hey man, thanks for inviting me.
Mm-hmm.
The day before. I didn't want to puss out again.
Nah, you're good.
Some random excuse.
It's always fun with more people.
It's usually just you three?
Yeah. Because we don't know a lot of people at mountain bike here. Because this area is just not for like mountain biking.
Where'd you go the other time?
We went to Greenbrier State Park.
Oh, I think you.
Bro, that shit was crazy.
Yeah?
Like, so just follow them. You can hear him yell. Oh, that's deep. Oh.
Huh? I know, dude.
We need to buddy hop that part.
That's the shit, though.
I'm ready when you guys are.
Go. I just don't know where I'm going.
Follow. Troy, go first. Amiel, you go second.
I think I
Follow Amiel.
Okay.
I'll be right behind you in case you down. In case you go down.
Oh, that's cool, man. I'm slow, man.
Just make sure keep distance. We don't
Troy, don't fly.
I'll try.
All right.
Yep.
Go for it. Just follow Amiel. And shift before you need to, like, if you go.
That's the thing. I don't know
Yeah.
when I should, but yeah.
Like, it's better to shift before you need the gears. The hell is this twig? It's a fast downhill, by the way. This part is fast. Oh fuck, I almost fell. It's so slippery, holy shit. Woo! Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that was good.
There's a part here that I keep like messing up. I'll tell you when you get there. Amiel, you good? What happened?
Oh, you're gonna see. I'll show you once you get there. It's real.
All right.
Yo, that was intense.
Dude, these roots are super slippery.
Yo, this is crazy how you guys do this.
We've never done this wet, so like this is usually a lot easier. There's a sharp right up ahead, so slow down.
Thank you.
This one right here.
Good, man.
Holy shit, I almost died. Bro, I took the wrong line.
Like, boom.
What happened?
The first bump, I don't know if it was slippery, but my ass lost my saddle. So I was like, maybe I got bucked off. I was riding like this.
Bruh.
I stopped like this because I thought I was going over my handlebars. Yeah. I saved myself. I was like, I stopped like this. I'm like, what the fuck?
Bruh. Shit.
And then, okay. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah? Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Take your time.
Actually, let me get up ahead because we're gonna go on a new trail.
And I don't think he knows where we're going.
Go ahead.
That's fine.
Yeah, just follow.
Troy, go first.
Follow the line. I'm right here. Unless you want to go, James.
I don't know where we're going.
Oh, I thought you knew
Pine
the
trail?
already. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Or
No, not hard though. You kill your brother.
hard right.
You mean hard right? It's in my face, bro. Oh dear. Deer. Ah. Woo. Hard right. Hard right. Hard left coming up. Woohoo! Ah. Oh. Holy crap. Dude, that was so much fun when it's so fast.
Going so fast.
Yeah. Dude, I hit a tree there and my handlebars clipped and I almost fell.
Damn. It's kind of a little crooked. No?
Because it's like so wide. So when I went like this, it clipped.
Oh, damn.
And it went like this. Yeah. You guys good?
Yeah.
Bruh, nice sticker.
I know, it's still on there. Hello. I can't even see you anymore. Can't see your head.
Alright, where are we going next?
Try to see it.
I mean, you can put it on when you go grocery shopping with your bike.
I like a milk cart.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Put it out front, bro. Put a basket. Oh, we never turned right here. Bruh.
Oh, well.
Bruh.
Except for me now, I guess. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
What the hell, bro?
Okay.
You gotta squeeze the rear brake.
Oh, actually, I've been on the left side. Bruh, it's ass.
Like ass bad or ass fun?
It's ass both. I mean, you can go. That's just hell issue.
Oh, nah.
I mean, just try it.
Well, I don't see anywhere else here.
Yeah,
Is there another
I say
path?
fuck it. I think it's part of Pine Loop, actually, right?
Hold up. Is there another?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Go, go, go. Oh, wait, is there a path? I don't know about that path in particular, but I don't know.
I don't think that's a path.
And I think that leads to the bridge, man.
Bruh, it's nice to see you. Where you going? There's a path right here. Oh, that leads to the river. Watch out. Oh, you've never been up here, have you?
Have you?
Yeah, Troy and I went up here once. Look for my friend.
So just a path?
I don't know. How you guys doing? Thanks. Good, good.
Well, that's going uphill.
Where does this lead to? It says trail. Go left. Go straight. Go straight. It got dark.
Maybe just lead back to Bison.
There's a trail up there. Follow the line. Oh!
Go ahead.
Whew.
Oh, wait, hold on, wait, look. Oh, you did what I did. No, shit.
More uphill. More uphill.
Do you remember the curve we made though?
I don't.
Right? I think it's all right. Because we went left. It was all left to get here. You're right. Am I right? Is it the right?
We went
Am I right? That's right. Or is it right? It's left.
We went this way.
We'll figure it out.
We'll see.
If we're-
Just remember the river.
if we end up on the dead end. I feel like we're in a river. We just went with the river.
Bro, we are dirty. Oh, at least there's no bugs around. Go ahead, bro. Woohoo! You can always put one foot down too if you need to.
Yeah, I was trying to. I lost balance a little bit.
Yeah.
That's that branch.
Whoo! I almost hit the freaking log. Holy crap!
That branch too, though.
Yeah.
Big shit. Oh, shit.
You're good. Your tires will do that. Oh, it's right here? It's like that?
What happened?
What the hell?
Bro, my fault. I stopped and he stopped.
Oh, my balls.
Are you good?
I'm good. Oh, my balls are good.
Fucking slip.
Dude, I had no idea that's just.
Well, Amiel didn't say turn right here.
Oh, I thought you guys were far enough behind it.
No. Shit.
Bro.
I saw you freaking tumble over there.
Yeah.
Are you good?
I was like, yo, let me slow down. I was like, I ain't slowing down.
Oh, good. Yeah, no, look at
See the tread marks here?
Every time.
this. He's all the way back there, dude.
Every time.
Here, I fell.
Well, cause like, I saw. That's why I'm like, oh, it's like that. Cause Amiel made a sharp right turn, and I'm going down fast.
Is this right here?
Well, I'm going down fast. You gotta be like, turn right here.
Just look up
I
ahead,
did a
man.
nice little like judo roll. Like, I was like, this.
Yeah, I saw this man slip. I was like, let's slow down.
So yeah.
No, really though.
Well, cause like, I think he was like 3 bikes behind me, and we were going fast.
Yeah, no.
When you turned right here, like I pressed real hard
That's
and like skidded here, and then I saw Viet just freaking do a barrel roll over here. Next thing you know, I heard a thud, and Troy yelled, "What? No."
That was exciting. Nah, dude, like you did everything.
Eat shit. You gotta.
Yo, every time we come here, someone always eats shit.
Or not fault. Turn. That's the first time I fell in wood. Like,
You good?
I think no, it's a lesson learned, dude. I didn't know wood
You're not
was
hurt?
like that slippery.
You're not hurt? You didn't break anything?
I mean, a little scratch.
I got like Band-Aid and shit. Honestly, you just pour some water and you'll be fine. I mean, like this was from like mountain biking.
I
Like,
had way worse.
look at that. Like you could look at his leg; it's full of cuts.
Yeah, those pedals will fuck you up.
Dude, those pedals hurt so much. Current, I would be fine.
I think some people actually have done
I mean, you can walk it, probably.
No way in hell. No way.
There's a rock right there.
Well, we can climb over there. No, just like. And you're carrying your bike. It's not gonna be easy. Yeah, but if you slip. Yeah, no, it's shaking. Fuck that. Let's. Let's just go. No, don't take that. Don't take that. I just don't know how deep this is. That's the thing.
I mean, for real, type of boys right here, we gotta be the one. We gotta be.
You going right? Yeah. Okay.
I think we're all going right. All the right.
Okay. I don't know, man. I'm following you. Go ahead, Troy.
Oh, wow.
Are you good? Yeah. Let's go.
Cut this shit down. Fucking logs, man.
Ugh. Oh, my ass. Hardtails. I don't know. I know, it hurt a lot. It's really muddy here, watch out. It's the river. I'd rather not
Bro, do you remember seeing a river?
Well, we've never been here raining. So that's probably why.
I don't know where across the river is. All right. You see that, Troy? You see any other paths there?
Nope, just straight. Oh.
That path?
No, that goes to the river. There's a path right there, it continues, but like, I don't know how deep this thing is.
Which one?
The river in front of me.
Oh no, where's the path is what you're saying?
Right there in front.
Across the river, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But like, I don't know how deep this is, so I'm turning around.
We shouldn't have reached a river.
Wanna try
Did
it?
you guys see a left back there?
No.
See? That's why I'm like, it was all right.
Well, let me try. It's fine. Oh, we're good. It's all rocks.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's a little deep over here. We're good. So, are we going through this or no? It's not deep. It's like knee high. But I don't know where that leads to.
You just want to keep on moving forward.
So where do we go?
You just want to get your feet wet. Keep moving forward.
Bro, I didn't want to get my feet wet. I was just trying to help.
It's already wet.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's keep moving forward.
Carry your bikes.
I'm gonna start barefoot. Oh, I thought we were riding the bikes.
Hell no.
Can we not ride the bike on here?
Amiel, follow me.
Yo, Troy, this is the bicycle course.
All right, wait. That part is deep, so follow me over here. Bro, this ain't no trail.
Let's ride down the river.
This isn't a trail. I'm gonna clean my bike real quick.
There's a log that we can carry our bike across, but it may be a little sketchy, so we're gonna have to the one I was just on, that just goes up there.
You kidding me?
The opposite direction. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, there's no use to get dirty anyway.
It's clean for now. It's clean for now. Amiel, that's sketchy, bro.
That's what I'm saying. But
That's dope. Yeah, look, that's us.
Why don't we go through?
The log itself does not move. That's all.
All right, that's fine.
It's just on the way, like how to keep.
Is the water deep?
Wait, how about we pass our bikes one at a time,
Just carry it.
or just carry it? I
Carry your
guess.
back, you'll be fine. Just don't slip though. Please.
This definitely ain't no novice type shit, man.
I'm not here, bro. the typical
from,
shit.
like-
The typical shit we go to, it is for real.
Like 0 to.
Yo, don't die, yo.
I'm gonna fucking fall, bro.
One foot in front of the other, baby.
This is where it gets sketchy.
This is where it gets sketchy.
Here, you gotta drop your bike. Because these logs are really.
I would fucking. Where are the logs that move?
The one's over here. So the one on your left is fine, but the one in front of it moves.
They both kind of wobble.
Yeah.
So like here?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right. Wait, where did you go? Where did you step on?
I came up this forward. No, keep going forward. You're fine. Good.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, parking lot.
Damn.
Whew.
Yes.
Around the bend. Yeah, good shit, man.
Oh my god.
That was hella fun.
I can hear something scraping on my gears.
I got a shit ton of dirt on my
I hear scraping on my gears
Scraping too.
or my brakes.
Not your brakes. It may just be dirt.
I think we
I
need.
have the same thing too. I'm like, I hope it's not bent. But we haven't had any big crashes, so. But,
I think we
Wow.
okay,
Moderate rashes.
Well, at least it was in muddy crash.
I don't know, dude. Every time we go out, we end up doing something more stupid than the last time.
You get more confident.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's not that. It's just stupidity.
Oh, it's fun, you know.
Yeah.
Like that.
Well, we could all. Up. You gotta turn around. Yo, don't fall in the lake. Don't fall in the lake. It's deep, bro.
I need more track. Yo, we fucking made it.
There we go. Survive, bruh.
Insane, bro. Insane.
And we're doing it again soon. Good run, boys. Dude, something's squealing back here.
That's the worst feeling, bro.
At
least you're. No, I was just making sure my phone's in my car and not in my. Like I dropped it.
Oh, bro, that would have
Bro, I was like,
that would have been it.
I didn't want to say anything the whole time.
I hope it's in a good angle when I was videotaping.
Oh well.